Today's demonstration is going to show you how to cut BX, or some people know it as MC cable, with one of these guys. So stay tuned, watch the demonstration. This is the KNIPEX 13818 electrician's pliers. It's loaded with a lot of great features. Starting from the tip, you'll notice it's got a flat tip so I can grab onto flat stock or some wires. Moving backwards, you've got a little recess area with some teeth to it that'll grab onto some round pipe. It's got a little crimping nest here for 12 to 20 AWG wire. It's got two stripping holes, a 14 and a 12 AWG. And then it's also got this nice sharp precision shear blades. So let me show you how this cuts. I've got a standard piece of BX or MC cable here. And this will show you how precisely engineered these blades are. I can cut right through that metal sheathing and no damage to the blades whatsoever. Not only that, with the 12 gauge and the 14 gauge stripping holes, I can strip the wires off of the BX or the MC that I just cut.